Hey guys, this is Mayankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I am going to discuss, can iPhone 6 get iOS 13 update? As we all know, iPhone 6 has been around for a while. We can see that the iPhone 6 has now been discontinued and all the older generation of phones are now getting discontinued by Apple. Why this happens and why Apple decides to discontinue the app? With time, technology has evolved exponentially. Every day a new smartphone is taking place of the old ones. This is also true for the softwares that are coming up with them. So Apple needs to make sure that the softwares do not overburden the hardware of the iPhones. That is why the iPhones are now getting discontinued. Let's come back to the topic. Can the iPhone 6 get the iOS 13 update? The sad answer is no. Why? Because iOS 13 contains some of the most newest features that are available on the iPhone. So let us check out what these features are. The first feature is dark mode. Dark mode is a feature that allows the users to get a dark themed mode on their iPhones. This is especially helpful for the people who has low eyesight problems or the people who use their iPhones at night or at darker areas. This is also available on Android devices, but this is just now introduced in the iOS 13 update. Second feature, the Safari Downloads app. Safari Downloads is a feature that has been asked for a while on iPhone. Safari has now been confirmed to be equipped with a download bar where you can download all the favorite apps and games that you want directly on your device. This feature was not available and this feature cannot be equipped in the iPhone 6. Memoji stickers. Another feature that shows how much technology is advancing in the nature. You can now send your custom made stickers to your friends and contacts. You can use this to make custom characters and send them to your contacts and friends. And lastly, Find My. Find My is the combination of both Find My iPhone and Find My Friends app that are relevant from the original GPS transmissions. You can use this as the network towers will update the friends' locations. This is also a feature that will not be available in the iPhone 6. So at last, you ask, is there absolutely no way that iPhone 6 get the iOS 13 update? Well, you can do it, but you will have to compromise your iPhone 6. You can jailbreak your iPhone 6 and get the jailbroken firmware, but we strongly advise you not to do this because it forsakes your device. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content and subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel. Thank you and have a nice day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.